gotta look at it.
Wow, look at that.
That is freaking awesome.
Look at it. One of our trees over there
Yeah.
was hit by lightning over a year ago.
Is it there still?
It's still here, yeah. The tree, it lost a limb though.
Okay, just stay in one spot.
It lost 2 limbs recently, but that was just due to
Right there.
wind. But
Now just
one was
stay
due to
right there.
lightning.
You'll get the action.
Gosh. Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Holy Sally.
Turn on a porch light.
No.
No, that's the whole point.
Oh, does it need to have some light?
Just a little bit.
No, dude, that's the whole point. You want it dark.
Alright. Oh wow, that doesn't really help.
Oh, we're not locked out. Wow, Sally. Listen. Okay, come up here. Up here underneath this.
When's it gonna rain?
I don't know. It just keeps threatening.
I hear it.
Wait, are those raindrops?
Yeah, do you not hear it, guys?
Right here.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. We should be in approximately 30 minutes or so. Wow.
What did you say?
We should be in it about
20 minutes.
20, 30.
20.
well, from now till it ends,
Man.
about an hour.
Nancy, you should get some lunches.
No, well, we're probably going in a little bit. I don't want us to be in hail or something like that. And besides, we're probably gonna have to. Woohoo! Woohoo! Did you see that?
Wow, this is really cool. We never get this. And I'll
Yeah, let's just get the
Yeah, you
tornadoes.
do. You just have to make your mom watch out.
we get the tornadoes. We don't get
Well, we get tornadoes too here. If you hear that, there will be sirens. If the wind gets to be a certain
Whoa.
point, they don't wait till tornado. They wait till the wind gets to be a certain point, and they tell you to.
In Oklahoma?
I want to get one of those like.
In Oklahoma?
I want to get one
What is
of those
this?
cameras
Who's calling you?
Hello?
and then once I want to do that, then I'll.
Yeah, right now I'm outside recording a video of like the intense lightning.
Have you got it, Jack? Have you got it?
Like I'm trying. I tried to get on Skype on my iPad, but it didn't like. What kind of light? It's intense. Can you guys see outside? Hello. You there?
Is that your girlfriend?
No.
Who is it? Well, hang up.
It's a friend.
Can you tell me to hang up?
Yeah, she can. She's your mom.
No, she can't.
Wow, Sally.
You're not even getting anything on there.
I am. I'm getting a whole bunch. If I hold it up to my face. If I get it up to my face, it feels like a real view, and you can actually get stuff. See? Because wherever I'm looking. Whoa! This is so going on YouTube.
Giggity! OMG!
Woohoo!
This is so going on YouTube. Whoa. This is awesome. Whoa. Wait, can this thing hear my voice?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. This is very cool.
Wow.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
You alright? Whoa. What's that BP thing, Spencer?
Whoa!
Turn it a little bit this way.
Whoa! Hey, Nancy, I think we're the only ones out here doing this.
Certainly are.
Whoa, that sounds like a freight train.
Listen to that thunder. It's beautiful.
Sound
This
like
means the storm is coming closer. It's getting closer.
that sounded like
Yeah,
a
you know,
freight
you can,
train.
like,
Whoa.
it's like you count the.
And you can
hear
smell
the
it.
thunder.
Smell the rain?
So if you hear the thunder, you count to the lightning, or is it the other way? No, you see the lightning,
Yes.
and then you count to the thunder.
Yep.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It keeps doing it, guys.
Okay, so maybe 13 miles away.
7,
So that's 13 to 20 minutes.
Wait, what is it? Wait. This is math? Tell me this, guys. I never knew about this.
Well, there's a certain amount that you count. And by the count,
it's-
see, it's coming towards us, and one of the reasons I